If we add more men who actually work on their marriages, like really roll up their sleeves and do the work instead of leaving everything for their wives, divorce rates for this world will reduce by at least 70%. Even if the woman is stubborn like generator when no gree starts, love can still calm her engine. But no, many men have abandoned their duties and are busy shouting, submission, oh, you must submit, oh, always demanding for submission from a woman he has abandoned, a woman that he has abandoned emotionally. Let me give an example. If Pastor Jerry, that me and you know, if he was not intentional about his marriage when it was full of katakata, they said it themselves now. That union for don't disappear. We will not even know them together now. I also know one of my former pastors, Omo, that man, he carried his marriage for head like gala. I was close to the family, so I saw everything. He was literally building that marriage himself. I saw it with my two naked eyes. This man loved his wife with his full chest. On one of our surprise birthdays organized by her husband, surprise birthday in the water, the woman started crying. She even said, I don't know what I did for this man to love me unconditionally like this. This guy was ready to give his life for that woman. I saw it. I give it to him. He has left ministration so many times to attend to his wife when she was sick. If he was in another state, he would travel with the next available flight. He will leave the ministration and tell them that his wife is sick. I must go back to go and see my wife. Ha. Even women in the church were seeing this as not ordinary. Ah, women, Nigerian women, we are used to suffering and little love. We are brought up to suffer and adapt to rada rada. But here is the thing. What these few men are doing is not supposed to be special. Oh. I hope you know. It's not special. It should be normal behavior for a grown man in marriage. So when much is given, much is expected. Marriage will be sweeter when men stop acting like they are doing their women favor and actually start doing the work. You can't be shouting submit when you are not submitting. Instead, na frustration you dey give her. You are draining her emotionally. If more men stepped up, homes will be more peaceful, marriages would last longer, and more Nigerian women will finally taste what true love should be. I just hope we get to that stage. I just hope we get to that stage.